My children, life is war. A lot of things has happened in our previous year. Even today, something has happened. Papa Ojo, well done though. I never wanted to tell you this one, Shan. For the love I have for you, I cannot hide it anymore. You will not yet stay at home. You are still walking around. Good day. No problem. But still, we thank God for everything. Abi?
Daddy, tell us about the coronavirus and the lockdown in the year 2020, Daddy.
Scope Etenya. Well, you see the year 2020, that year was overhyped. People were saying, 2020, my year of this, my year of that, my year of the other. The year was now confused. During that period, a lot of things were shut down. Schools were shut down. Churches were shut down. Mosques were shut down. There was no celebration of anything. Birthday party, marriage, burial ceremony, school graduation, nothing were going on. During that period, my hand drank more alcohol more than my tongue. During that period, the government asked everybody to stay indoors with hunger strike. The government was supposed to share face mask, hand sanitizer, and what we use to fight the battle of coronavirus. But who are we? They did not do anything. Even the hunger we are killing the citizens more than the coronavirus itself. Things happened. They asked everybody not to come outside. But you trust me, your father. I can never stay indoors. I did a lot of things. I helped the less privileged. I donated this, I donated that, bag of rice, bag of cigarettes, bag of anything. I donated in bunch. I helped people in my street. I helped the needy. Are you communicating?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Daddy, why are you running?
Those were the sounds we were hearing during the lockdown.